What's up guys, Shannon. I've got to find out what's wrong with the ABS on this vehicle. It's been to a few garages and no one's come up with the solution. Customers begging me to bring, he's come from far to bring his car here. Basically, he's had new ABS sensors installed and it hasn't cured the problem. And it's an open circuit. So I need to find out if there's a break between the wires from the ABS sensor all the way up to the ABS ECU here. Okay, and my way of doing it is to put 12 volts at the sensors at the back. So the connector for the sensors at the back, I've put 12 volts with my jump pack down there. So I've got like the jump pack, one end is going to earth. Put the car up in the ramp and show you again in a second. So that's going to earth, and then this one here is going to two wires that are going plugged into the sensor. So if I turn this on, you'll get 12.2 volts, and that's going to send 12.2 volts up that ABS sensor wire through the car and all the way here. And if I can find 12.2 volts, which I have, one there, see, one there, and then the other. Damn sunglasses off. Let's start. Let's see. Not getting anything at the moment. What's going on? Okay, so I got 12.2 volts on that pin there. And then when I move it over to the other side, the best I can get on the other side of the connection is 11.7 or something. That's the best I'm getting. So at 11.7, I want to see which one of the wires is causing it. It's not the red wire, so it's on this black wire that I'm getting 11.7. So I'll put it back by itself. And go back to that pin. I know that when I get underneath the car again, I don't know which colour wire. It's probably the potential issue. So I got. Oh, fuck. Okay. So that one there, I'm not really getting the 12.2 like I would expect. So there might be a damaged wire, or it's not plugged in. The wire isn't plugged into the connector at the back properly. So I'm gonna jack it up. I've got 2 volts drop. So if that's the case, that's the reason why the light's on. There's some sort of snip in the wire, but I need to just check underneath the car. So this is the connection. Yeah, so this black wire is sending 12.2 volts up to the front of the car, and I'm not quite getting 12 so I'm getting about 10. So I look along the loom, something is going on up in here. I'm hoping that there's broken wires in here, but it's too obvious, isn't it? It's too obvious. And after here, it goes along. Along. Long. Come on. You know that tune? There's some connectors up here as well. That wire. That's the sensor. So where does this wire disappear off to? Is it here? It goes into the car here. Okay. It's looking okay. Someone's been there before, didn't put it back properly. So it goes into the car. Well done. So then after that it finds its way into the engine bay. Okay, so I've got 12.18, just under 12.2 volts on the connector down here. Right, so that's on one side, and go to the other side. The same thing, 12.18. It's in there now. So the wiring from the back to the front is absolutely fine. Alright, so it's just one wire that I need to double check on the other side. So just to double check the other side, once again, I've got 100% good wiring. Well, not 100%, but 95% good wiring on the left. So that's the right side now. Yeah, the wiring is okay. So we don't have a wiring problem. So it's either the ECU or the sensors, but the sensors are new. So as long as they're correct, the problem is in the ECU. That's my diagnosis for today. Alright guys, so like I said, I think it's the ABS ECU because of the new sensors that's been fitted and the fact that the wiring is okay. If I'm looking at the data, you'll see that the rear left speed sensor and the rear right speed sensors are reading exactly 407 miles an hour. That's like a complete open circuit, but if the wiring is okay, I'd have to say that the ECU is faulty. I hope that I'm correct.